Trying to access a Zoom recording and finding a ZM download file instead of the actual video? This is a partial download that never finished. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these incomplete Zoom files mean and how to recover your content. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated, high-value ZM download file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. This file is created by the Zoom video conferencing application when a user downloads a cloud recording. It represents an incomplete or in-progress download. Users encounter this file when a download is interrupted. Once the download completes successfully, Zoom automatically renames it to the final format, typically MP4. The ZM download file acts as a temporary container, holding the partial binary data of the video stream. This design prevents the operating system from treating it as a playable media file until the download is complete and verified. Using a unique extension ensures the application can resume the download if interrupted. The most common, market-leading program for ZM download is Zoom, from Zoom Video Communications. Windows does not offer the necessary repair tools if the file header is damaged or malicious. Windows and maintenance utilities may safely delete temporary files when appropriate. We are initiating the software cross-check. Right-click your ZM download file and choose Open With. Test with Zoom first. If it's missing, select another program. The solution is often non-obvious. If you still can't open the ZM download file, it's okay. We're dealing with a highly specific ZM download file, so we must be precise. We need to run through this checklist and confirm all key details are correct. First, resuming the download. Open the Zoom desktop application and navigate to the Recordings or Downloads section. Locate the interrupted download and click Resume or Retry. Zoom uses the ZM download file to continue the transfer from where it stopped, completing the original file with its proper extension when finished. Next, redownloading from Zoom Web. Log into the Zoom web portal at zoom.us and navigate to Recordings. Locate the desired meeting recording and click Download to start a fresh transfer. This bypasses the corrupted ZM download file, producing a complete playable recording in MP4 or M4A format depending on the content. Finally, cleaning temporary files. Delete orphan ZM download files from your Downloads folder if the original transfer can no longer be resumed. These incomplete files cannot be played or accessed independently and only consume disk space. Clear them safely as the actual recordings remain available in your Zoom Cloud account for fresh download. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.